Pulano hambai marbo joto ani media kissing songno. Tini sung Atisa je Motha tongmani student organization Ipft tini kaisa allied organization banner tolawo tongmani sung tini hai salo sung Swbai rekha sinoro buskango joto Central Committee member tongo working president SGS tai committee Central Committee thanayo sung committee hoite sung kaisa meeting Khlaikha sini student organization hoite Central Committee meeting I executive committee was sung decision na laikha joto entire 21 divisions tai Central Committee joto existence tongnai rok arono sidanto na laikha sung buskang ni movement tai Tipra land no bahke tumnani ba greater Tipra land no bahke acquire khainani abono toinai sing alochona khlaimani bisingo sung abono nukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sung abo sobomona tongo aboni bagainai sung tinini simi sung Atisa resolve khlainai Swbai sung Kotal Motha ba Tipra Motha o sung join resinai tai kebangma Motha rongno ba angko kobungna musungo chikon tongnai rongno sung under bobagrani bisingtike sung thansani bisingtike maidomo sung agirogo sung saimalia baksa borok bujilia ngi tongmano aborongno taisa wansugine sung greater thansa ni bagai greater interest Tipra ni bagai nai jotono agogoi phaike chau abono ani musungmu tabu abo simia thini thinangni chini bobishot no sung nasi thangkangkai sung kunu jaga tuifano sung koton hujangnani motok grei chini bobagrano karei bobagrangka kaisa hani bobagra kaisa thinangni bagai nai chini Tipra ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo Khlaikha kase mungsa kaisa suk sung mane abono sung bisas khainai sung Atisa ro agogoi pai dene o salo sung Ipft de Tipra Motha ni thani sung join khaipakya asungno hambai
acha no to Ipft re galaxy to Ipft wo resources khalo ta kha sung or khachina no start
sung already sung sini meeting obo decision nakha Ipft ni bisingo bo sung saklaijak tongo sini bisingo kok tongo abono no sung salainai sung sidanto khlainai sung phaikya.
So you said you are joining with Tipra Motha today. Previously you were working with Ipft. Do you think the leaders from the Ipft have failed to meet the demand which was raised 3 to 5 years back while they contested in the 2018 election? Also the recent elections in the TTADC where we have seen the youth have come in support of Tipra. So do you think these two reasons are why you have joined with Tipra?
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the Ipft work tirelessly for the liberation of Tipra land for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by Ipft. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tiprasa in where or in which place going to settle. On that occasion, we observed, that is curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest. For any upliftment of our Tiprasa, we need the movement that need to secure so early. So Ipft can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay, or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left them.
So your comment has saying that Ipft has failed miserably to fulfill its demands, Tipra.
Yeah, of course, that every one of the Tiprasa people, they know this. The Ipft demand has becoming declining day by day, and due to that we compels to join to another organization, so that we need to upgrade more movements for the betterment of the Tiprasa and for the liberation of Greater Tipra land or Greater Tipra land as well.
How are you looking forward to work with Tipra Motha?
Pardon, I can't hear.
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tipra Motha now?
I hope so, under the banner of the Bubagra, we hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensational in viewpoint in further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. Sini kuno oro aro student na tonga organization da alka yuto da tonga abo sun kuno saimia ko sini ideology sini boba grano all round sung surrender khaika je jagawo sungno bo tamu khlaina ni musung abno no bon thane ya phare ne bo yuto da roho ba student organization da roho tobo khai sung kaisa kuno kaisa committee khaipa no sung kaisa greater movement no thangnani ba sini je target to sung thanani ba gainai sung abno no hori sung join khayo
asta kaisa IPF to khata ma Tipra mana ne kuno samo mana tre amai je wan chok na bonga wan chok tin bua gan
tini abono sungnani musungo IPF ti joto borong no saimano sungna musung mani kokse IPF tino nasike joto borong no phaika thansake phiaba thansani uporo sung bubagra response khlaika joto borong no assemble khaika phiaba IPF ti durbagyo ngine thansangai malia aro sung belai no bukha udrumudrung kha mo BJP bai tongai sung Tipraland manaida abo sini bukha confusion kha ngakai judi no sung sarkaro tongai judi no mahake tongna angkai sini demand no sung sukumai rohmani no sakogo ngakai jehetu sini habu wagra tongo bo nije agi bo ot demand no hamjege tabuk a demand joto Tiprasa rong naisugine bo abuno rise khlaika Tiprasa hamkraini baginai ka sung abuno naisugine bini bisingtike sung join khlaika aka bono khlaimana na haima on sugine sung bono join kai
IPF to mai samudri khai to thina IPF to tongna bo hai wan chok
abo bongni bepar IPF ti party ni abo sung sayawi yogo borong ni ideology borok alada borok wan sugnai borong strategy borong ni alada party